So I got this wig for like $4. This side was as long as this side. And I saw the wig when I walked up into my husband and I saw, but I really saw this place called Potmark or Potmark. I'll put a name on the screen. And I saw, and I was like, I think inside they normally have discounts and stuff like that. And I was like, I want to try to go and see what they have to offer. Man, and as I walked in, I saw this wig. It was $4. Guys, listen, $4. And I saw it and it was so light. It is by Raquel Welch. I normally take tags off of my wigs and stuff like that. And I was like, her wigs typically be really, really good. The caps is normally very, very light, which I like. So I said, let me try it on. I picked it up. I didn't really try it on in the store. I just picked it up. And I was like, oh, this feels so good. So I took it. My husband was like, you're going to get it? I'm like, yeah, I'm getting it. It's only $4. Normally her wigs go for like 60 something, 70, 80, 100 and something. And I'm like, yay. So I picked it up and I'm now putting it on today after I washed it and all that good stuff. I cut this other side. The other side was just as long as this. I don't really care for this long peak thing. Guys, oh my God, the hair's falling all inside of me. Itching. It's itching. I really don't care for the long peak like this. But the other side was just like this. Beautiful, huh? So I said, as a stylist that I am, let me taper it down. So I just got done tapering down this side. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. This is lovely. $4. Went on to her website. I think this wig was going for like 80 something dollars. Guys, and her hair is oftentimes so light. Love it. So I said, while I'm doing that, let me come on camera and cut the other side so you guys can see what a girl is doing. So I'm just holding it like this. I know that I want it to fall like right around here as I go fading it down like this. So I started from up by my cheek here and keep going down. Not all the way, just keep going down. So that would give it like a gradient look. I don't have all my shades like what I normally have in the business, so I'm using this. You guys see that? Little by little it's coming to where I want it. Go back in for another piece and just duplicate the same thing. Keep going downwards. Don't do that blunt cut, guys. Most people will pick it up if you ever have a wig like this and they will just take a shears and they will go in with the shears like this. Don't do that. This way it gives it a more natural look. Hope you guys appreciate this one. And just keep cutting down. Oh my, this is so beautiful. So beautiful. Love it. I love the blondes first to begin with. I love how the black inside of here with another tones of brown. Oh my God, it's the highlights and the lowlights inside the unit makes it look so real. I love it. That's why when I saw it, Raquel Welch, I was like, I have to get it. I have always make sure you're cutting downward, guys, downward. Do not go, don't give it that blunt look. That blunt look is gonna look too harsh. It's gonna show harsh lines. Just keep working it down. And slow and steady and you'll get to what you want. Yeah. For any kind of synthetic wig, in particular, do not cut your synthetic wigs blunt. Anytime you cut your synthetic wigs blunt, it will look a lot fake, a lot more fake, and it will really look harsh. It would look harsh. You want your synthetic wigs to look as real as possible. And by doing that, you can use your iron, you can use one of these, you can even use your shears, but you have to know how to use it. So this one is for like beginner friendly, everybody who don't go to a professional person in the shop, just use these tools. Love it. So I just came in quickly to show you guys that. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me what you think in the comment section down below. Let's go ahead and finish her up. So beautiful, guys. $4. When I saw this wig there, I was like, yes, you coming home with me today. I know you are worth more than $4. That's what I knew. I I knew without a shadow of a doubt. And if I wish, I can go in and take out some of this. Right here is very heavy, so I want it a little thinner. So I will go in and just slice like that, or I can slice downwards. I like to slice downwards sometimes like that, making that a little thinner right by the ear here, because it's too heavy. You have to know what you're doing, guys, because you don't want to make your wig look, you don't want to make mistakes, right? So if I have it behind my ear or I have it in front of me, it's nice and light. Oh my God. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section below. Tell me if you like this one. I just came on quickly on the camera to show you guys. Tell me what you think. I was just cutting it by itself without the camera up, and I'm like, you know what? Let me help my girls and some of my guys and with this one. Let me help. Why not? Hope you guys excuse my fan in the back there. The girl is hot. Menopause is upon her. So there it is. Tell me what you guys think. It looks very professional, huh? Gives off that rich auntie look. Rich auntie. Take a little bit more off of here. This fan is a little too heavy. Yep. Gives off that rich auntie look. Yes. Grown and sexy now. That's what it's about. A girl grown and sexy. So I can have my, I'm gonna go in with my shares in the shop right here. I want to go in a little closer up, so I need to get my professional tools at the shop. But basically, you guys see how it looks. Beautiful. Tell me what you guys think. Would you do it? And she have different colors in this one. This is the blonde looking one. She has it in black and purple and burgundy, and you guys know burgundy is going for the season now. So there it is. This is such a beautiful one. $4. Oh. $4. $4. So lovely, guys. So lovely. Love it. Let me turn and show the back a little bit so you guys can see. Let me turn and show my back. There it is. It lays nice and flat right here. That's a perk. I love it. $4. Okay, see you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. As per usual, don't forget to go like, comment, subscribe, and share. Shoot up in the comment section for your girl. I always show you guys everything. All up inside of my house, my closet, my makeup station where I'm getting dressed. This is so beautiful, and it's so light on the head. Looks like me, very professional now of where I'm at in my years now. How you doing? Love it. I love it, guys. It's really beautiful, really beautiful. I like $4. Make that make sense. Love it. When I saw her wig, I was like, I have to get it. I have to grab this one. Must. It's a must. Because I'm a wig girl as well, so I know the real professional ones by Raquel Welch. That's like $4. I picked it up in a house. I snatched it. I snatched it without even thinking, because I was like, I know this wig is not $4. It's more than $4. But they had it there for $4 that day, so I was like, why not? That's it, Raquel Welch. That's my girl. I love her wigs. It's just really nice. It's just so... Her structure of the wig cap is what I love the most. Her signature wig cap. Oh my God, guys. Beautiful. Anyway, I'm heading off to work now. See.